صباح الخير. Good morning. How to create a trading bot, a trading robot for trading, sell and buy in the international market, stock market or forex, for automotive industry, gold, silver, oil, or USD or dollar euro couple. Okay, in forex or in stock market. How to create this program for using artificial intelligence by Python. Follow me in this program to know how to do this. First of all, we need to use our link with the actual prices using API integration. So here we have this is complex program by artificial intelligence and using artificial intelligence and Python, ماشي, including data collection, because we know that artificial intelligence based on the data science or data collection, and then we have the analysis process, and then we have the execution of trades. While I can provide you with the basic structure of such a trading bot or robot, please note that creating a fully functioning trading bot requires expertise in trading strategies and market analysis and API integration. Here is a simple example for using API integration. First of all, we will use Python language. We will import the library time and the library random. Then we create a class which is named here by the industry, which is automotive. If you are make the robot in trading gold, sell and buy gold, so name this as gold bot or silver bot or oil bot or USD euro couple bot. So we have here define a function inside this class. This function is initial or the main function. We have initialized necessary variables and connections. This is a variable of the function or the parameter of the only one parameter for this function. This parameter we will link it to the API key. So here will be the API key from the website of this gold market or silver market or oil market or USD market, okay, dollar market. Then we have the self API secret, another variable here, which contain after you register in this website or landing page, you create a secret API key or a secret key, okay, like a password, and then the URL of the API, okay, the URL, this three information or data, this three pieces of data is very, very important, because you will through this data you will be connected to the real and actual prices. Now then we define four important functions. Sorry, we have the collect data function, and we have the analyze data function, analyze data, and we have the execute trade, and we have the run. Okay, four function, very important function. So this is the main function which will connect you to the actual prices through the API method or technology. Then we have the four function. Start with the collected data using the variable which is self, and self we take from here, okay, this parameter, and we will use in some way in this simple code to bring the current price, and return to the current price. So when we execute the collected data, we will get back by the current price. Okay, we connect it through the API and bring self, and use self in this function to collect and bring the current price. Then here we will analyze using the two parameters, the self and the price. If the price greater than some value, so sell, gives order sell. If it less than some value, gives order run buy. If it's between these values, hold, stay as you are in this position. Don't buy, don't sell. Then we have the execute trade. We will use the self and the decision. The decision here will be printed. We will use the self, okay? And here the execution decision D will be sell or buy or any way, okay? So here we have the run. We will use the price, self collect data. So we will collect the data. It will come back with the current price. We will put in another variable which is price, okay? So we will give the price to the self analyzed data. Self analyzed data اللي هي ديت. Self analyzed. If the price is greater than some value or less than some value or in between, so there is some action according to the if else statement, okay? So here we will return by sell or buy or hold, okay? Okay, so here the decision will be sell or buy or hold, and then we will execute self execute trade. We will call execute trade function and give it sell or hold. So here we have the decision come hold or sell or buy and printed here, okay? So here we have the run. This is a run, the final process. So after decision made and executed, time sleep for 60 minutes, okay? Okay, then we have this code which connect all the program together. But it's the variable. We'll call the initial function or the main function, the automotive trading bot, and execute the function to bring self, to execute self with the variable self through the API functions, or sorry, through the API properties, okay? And then we will call the run function by the bot, which include or repaired the self with the API key and secret and URL. So it carry the prices, the actual prices, this self now, okay? And give it to the run, and the run will call, as we said before, we call collect data to collect data and put in the price, and price will be called to through analyze data, and it brings the decision, and the decision will be executed through execute trade function. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to reach every new video we upload, and to reach the search engine like Google and Yahoo and Bing, and write a good comment and share this video for others to help them to trade using robotics or robots in Forex or international market. Thanks for watching this video.